Your career has an arc, and that arc is driven by four primary drivers. There's education, experience, money, and legacy. And those drivers loosely correlate with decades. In your 20s, you work for education. In your 30s, you work for experience. It's really in your 40s when you start working for money, because you're trading the education and experience for money. So in your 40s and 50s, those are your biggest earning years. And it's when you get into your late 50s and 60s when you start working for legacy, which is to say your primary motivation is, not just the work you do, but the significance and impact you have, not just on the company, but on the people around you. Now, I know that's an oversimplification, and some careers are more compressed, and other careers are more elongated, but for the most part, everybody has that same path. Now, the hardest thing is figuring out where you are on that career arc, particularly as you approach those inflection points. When you move from being motivated by experience to money, or by money to legacy, it's really hard to detect those things in yourself, and oftentimes you need someone else to see that in you. So here's the bottom line, here's the takeaway. If you right now, or maybe somebody that you're mentoring or coaching right now, if they're experiencing frustration in their career, but they can't figure out why, it might not be for the obvious reasons that you normally think about. It might be that you're in one of those inflection points and your primary motivator in your career is changing. I hope that helps. I'm David Pinkley, and we'll see you soon.